Magnesium is one of the alkaline earth metals on the periodic table. Magnesium has a low density and a high tendency to ionize. Slightly malleable. In air, magnesium forms a thin oxide film on its surface, making it difficult for air to react with it. Magnesium metal ball pressing machine is the key equipment in the process of magnesium metal ball pressing machine. Whether the equipment of magnesium metal ball pressing machine is scientific has a major impact on the efficiency of pellet forming. Magnesium metal is the main raw material of carbon-8 industry. Magnesium metal ore has fine party characteristics of high taste, low impurity content, but the proportion of the rest of the content is wrong, so it is easy to cause the pellet reduction and expansion rate of high problem, and long placement time pellet performance decreases, affecting the quality of the pellet and raw ball. Through the test, the performance of metal magnesium ball, and many other factors, the test results show that, by adopting high-pressure roller grinding, the pellet forming performance and pellet quality of magnesium metal can be improved effectively by adding magnesium-containing solvent.